Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a declutter and organize of my linen closet. I have been dying to do this because it's like the last thing in my house that really needs to be decluttered and organized. And I'm going to be organizing everything using Dollar Tree baskets. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to be listening to my audiobook, You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. A lot of you loved my recommendation last time from Audible, which was Rachel Hollis, Girl Wash Your Face. I absolutely recommend that book if you have not listened to it as well. You can start a 30-day trial with Audible by using my link below. I will also put it on screen here, and that is www.audible.com/Beastons. Or you can text Beastons to 500-500. Again, I'll have that linked below as well as on screen here. So again, to start your 30-day trial, go to www.audible.com/Beastons, or you can text Beastons to 500-500. The reason I love Audible so much is because I'm a busy mom of 3 under 3, and I don't get to read at all, so I like to listen to my audiobooks while driving, or like in an instance like this, while cleaning and organizing, just to try to make it more enjoyable, and you get things done that you need to get done while having a little bit of me time by listening to a book. So as you can see here, I started off by just taking everything out of my linen closet. Next, I'm just going to tidy up the towels I have up top here. Now I'm just putting back the bigger, bulky items, such as the things we stock up on, like feminine products, or things that I know I'm not going to be organizing. Like down here we keep some painting supplies and like a little space heater. So the things I know I'm not going to be organizing into their individual places, I'm just going to put in the bottom here. The next thing I'm doing is just putting away all of the cleaning products. Since I have a lot of them, I'm going to be using a shelf that's a little bit higher up just so that there's no way that the kids can get into them. Now that all of the cleaning products are put away, I'm just going to go ahead and organize everything into their own little bins on the ground here, as well as get rid of anything that is expired or I know that we will not be using. Here are some of the bulky items I was talking about that will not be going into bins. I just put them on the ground here and on the lower shelf. Now I'm just continuing to go through everything and get rid of any trash as well as the expired items, and I'm organizing my bins into a baby bin which will have like baby products in it, another bin that will have baby medications like infant Tylenol and things like that. And I'm going to have my own bin. It's labeled pregnancy, but now I should change the label to postpartum since I am almost 1 month postpartum. And I'm also going to have a bin for stomach medications and a bin for allergy and pain medications. So here are my bins before I go ahead and put them away. So I got to chapter 5 here, and I cannot recommend this book enough. It is amazing. And here is the finished product. It feels really great knowing that everything has a place and that all of the expired items are gone and that there is a purpose for everything that is in here. And I hope that this inspires you to go ahead and tackle your linen closet or any other space you've kind of been putting off, because I had been putting this off for a long time. The entire closet took me an hour, so it's really not that bad. I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and please leave any video recommendations that you have down below in the comments.
Broken, don't ever forget you're golden.